Hi everyone, welcome back. In this lesson you are going to do the prototyping for the favorite screen. So what we want to do in all of these screens, when you press on this heart icon, we want to go to the favorite. So what we are going to do is to copy the thing that you want to animate and paste it on all of the screens except the favorite. So you want to animate this card of the shows. They are grouped together. I want to ungroup them first, and I want them to come from the sides when we press on the heart icon. So now they are separated. The next thing, I want to go to the layer panel and rename them. It's always good to rename them so auto animate work properly, because auto animate works with the name of the groups and items. Anything that is similar between two artboards, auto animate will animate them. So I will name this HD Sport 1, HD Sport 2, and so on. Let's rename this as well. Have this and this. Oh, sorry, I deleted. I have to rename it. Okay. HD Sport 3, and this one will be HD Sport 4. Okay, so we renamed all of them. We have all of them now. Let's group these as well with the bowgasm, this one, and the group, which is favorite with the heart. Right click on it and group them together, just like this. Now we have it grouped. So the next thing we're going to do is to rename it. I'm going to rename it to favorite. The next thing you're going to do is to click on these two, the name with the border of the button, group them together. Come over here, rename them. I'm going to rename it to show more. Okay, perfect. Now we are going to copy these show cards. I will select all of them, then Control C and paste it on all of the screens. I'll paste it over here. So I want them to come from the sides. That's why I'm going to move it to the right and left and disappear them with the opacity, like this. You will hide them just like this. Okay, perfect. We will do it for this screen as well. The process is the same. I'm going to speed up the process because we will do the same thing, and I'll come back to you. You can follow me, watch me doing it. You can also skip this part if you don't want to watch me doing all of them all over again. Don't forget that we need to do it for all of the screens. We are going to do it for the home Adidas and home Puma, then single product preview, cart, and everything except the favorite itself. So we will do it for this as well. Okay, let's do it for this one as well, the single product preview. So when you are on this single product preview, when we press on the heart in the menu, this shoe will come in and the favorite page will come up. We will do it for this one as well, profile. The same thing for this as well. And the last one will be my cart. Okay, perfect. Now the next thing we need to animate is the favorite cart, which is this one. I'm going to copy it and paste it on all of them. I'll paste it over here. We want it to come from the top and with a bit of rotation like this. And now bring down the opacity. We will do it for this as well. And instead of doing all of the steps, I'm going to copy this one that we already did and paste it over here. And we will do it for all of the screens. We will do it for this one as well. Click on the name of the artboard and paste. For this one, Oh, we did it for the favorite as well. We are not going to do it for the favorite screen, okay? Don't forget, we don't need to do that. We're going to do the bottom as well. We want the button to come from the, like below, from the middle below, somewhere around here. Let's bring down the opacity. And then I will copy this one, Control C, and paste it on all of the screens again. We will paste it on all of the screens except the favorite and search as well, because in the favorite it's already in the favorite, you don't need it. And for the search screen we don't have the menu bar, that's why we are not going to do it. Okay, now we have all of them. The next thing we are going to do is to go to the prototype and do our prototyping. So on all of the screens we need to connect this heart to the favorite screen. So connect to the favorite like this, use tap trigger, auto animate, and use the same settings that I use. We are going to do it for all of the screens, for this one as well, then for this one, and this one. And then from the profile also it will come to the favorite, from the card also it will come to the favorite. Okay, now let's go ahead and see, play it. Now we have the scrolling animation. We have from Adidas to Puma to Nike. We can do this. And then for the single product we can click on this one and it will take us there. And we can also easily go to the favorite screen. Something else that I forgot to do is connecting all of the screens to the home screen. So wherever we are, when we click on the home icon, it will take us to the home. What I'm going to do is to go to the design mode. I will click on this group, the Nike one, click on it, copy it, and we are going to paste it on all of the screens or the artboards that are not home screen. So we have home screen for Nike, Adidas, and Puma. We are going to paste it over here as well. And I'm going to move it to the side and then bring down the opacity for it. You'll make it 0. Then copy this one and paste it over here as well, and paste it over here, this one. Okay. Now, okay, let's keep that. I want to animate this as well. I will select all of them, group them together, and then we are going to paste it over all of the screens. But before we do that, I'm going to rename it. Because these cards are available in all of other home screens that we have, we are now renaming this. We group them and we are renaming it. It may cause some issues when we do the auto animate on the prototyping, but I will show you later how to fix that. Now let's paste this here. We'll move it to the left side, bring the opacity down, then copy it and paste it over here. Okay, perfect. Now let's go to the prototype, and on all of the screens we are going to connect home to home screen. For this one as well. So it will go from the favorite to the home screen, from the profile to the home screen, and from the card to the home screen. And other artboards are home screen themselves, so we don't need to do it for them. Now we have the scrolling animation. We can go between Puma, Adidas, and Nike. And we can open a single product. We can also go between favorite and home. As you can see, there is a problem. These quick search are coming and going with the menu bar. I'm going to fix that. Okay, for that we are going to group these quick search together, and I'm going to move them upward somehow in 3D space, and then we are going to rename it. So you rename it in the layer panel. You can name it anything that you want. I'll make it quick search. Okay, now I'm going to copy this and paste it on all of the screens that are not home screen. So we are going to paste it on this one. on this one. Move it down like this, make it smaller, and bring down the opacity. Let's make it smaller from this side. Okay. I'll copy this and paste it over here. For this one as well. So you're not going to do it for the search and also the single product preview. Now if you go between them, we have this kind of animation. But as you can see, we still have the issue with the menu bar. This kind of issue happens because of the 3D dimension that Adobe added to the Adobe XD. So sometimes you will face these kind of issues. To fix this, I'm going to select everything about the menu and group them together. And then I'm going to play and see if this will fix the issue. Let's play it. No, we still have it. We still have the issue. What I'm going to do is to move this forward in the 3D space a bit. I'm doing this as a quick solution. This will cause an issue for us because we want the menu bar to be at the same exact place for all of the artboards. So whatever change you are doing for this artboard, it should be applied for all of other artboards. Means we have to copy and paste this to all of other artboards, which means all our prototypes for the menu bar will go away and we need to do them from the beginning. But for now, I'll keep it like this. We somehow fixed it. I'll keep it like this. At the end of this lesson or this section, we are going to fix the menu. Okay? For now, I will see you in the next lesson and we are going to do the other screens. See you there.